Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on an Excel challenge. So just say we do have a data that has list of customers. Just say I have here a customer name. So I have names like Arif, Aiman, Ali, Abu and Alan. So based on this given data, what my manager want to know is the new customers and also the existing customers. So meaning to say what my manager wants. My manager wants me to count the number of new customers and the number of existing customers. So in this particular challenge, what happened is, if they say the customer is an existing customer, so what does it mean by existing customer? Existing customer is the customer's name appear more than once. So if the customer name appear more than once, then that customer is an existing customer. It is existing customer. However, if just say the customer is new customer, so new customer means the customer name only appear once. So that's why it is new customer. So if the customer name appear more than once, then it is existing customer. So in this case, if just say you look here carefully, we do have unique names like Arif, Aiman, Ali, Abu, Alan and Arif. So in this case, you notice that Arif over here appear more than once. So right now, we only have one existing customer. But new customer like Aiman, Ali, Abu, there are 4 names. So what my manager wants to know is, my manager wants to know how many existing customer, how many new customer, so that I can provide a discount and so on. So in this case, what we do is, we will use Power Query. So first thing is, I need to highlight the table, Control A, it will highlight the entire table. I use my mouse, I click data, and then what I do is from table/range. So over here, there's an icon called from table/range. You click it over here. Once you click from table/range, you will notice that a small box will appear. So this is the box. My table has header. Does it have a header? Yes, customer is the header. So you must tick the box over here. And then you press OK. Once you press OK, automatically what happen is, it will go to Power Query Editor. So in this Power Query Editor, what happen is, right now, we know Arif name appear more than once. So Arif is technically an existing customer. But Aiman, Ali, Abu, Alan, they are the new customer. So what I'll do is, I'll use group by. A box will appear. And then here, I just want to count. So I just press OK. So like what I say, yes, memang pun Arif name appear more than once. So at column, conditional column. So based on this column over here, what I want to do is, if just say the count is greater than 1, then I'll write here existing customer. So if just say more than 1, it is existing customer. Otherwise, it is new customer. Then you press OK, and then here you go. And then what I'll do is, I'll use group by one more time. So existing customer, and then I want to count, and I press OK. So what happened is, yes, we do have about 5 customers. One of them is the existing customer, and the other is basically the new customers. So right now, what I do is, I'll just click on this arrow. You can press close and load, but close and load means it will load as a table in a new worksheet. So I click this arrow. This is very sensitive, so you need to be careful. So you click on this arrow over here, close and load to. Click here. Once you click over here, a box will appear. Okay, so when you press close and load, like I mentioned, table, new worksheet. I don't want table in a new worksheet. I want a table, but in an existing worksheet. Maybe somewhere over here. And then I press OK. So when I press OK, so automatically what happened is, here we'll have existing customer 1 and new customer is about 4 of them. So just say I put a name like Ronaldo. So if I put here Ronaldo and I click here right click and I click here refresh, you will notice we have 5 new customer. Why? New customers, customer name only appear once. That means like Aiman, Ali, Abu, Alan and Ronaldo, you have about 5 new customer. But if just say I copy the Ronaldo, copy down, so and I right click and I refresh, automatically we have two existing customers. Existing customer means customer name appear more than once. So it is an existing customer. So you just say I put here Alan, and then maybe I put here Ellen. Okay, you see here, this Alan, same person. Even though it's the same person, sometimes the worker or your colleague, they might choose or they put a wrong spacing or wrong spacing, uppercase, lowercase. So in this case, when I right click and I refresh, what happened is we do have three existing customer like Arif. So Arif is one of them because appear more than once, and then Alan, we also have appear more than once, and then Ronaldo. But new customer, why does it show 4? Because we have Aiman, Ali, Abu, and over here we have Alan. So the problem is sometimes they never capture. So in this case means what you do, you right click, edit, we'll go to Power Query Editor. So the initial step, you all got the step, the source, the change type, the group row. So before group row, what we need to do is, we must make sure we select this name. Under transform, we go to format, and then you put proper case, capitalize each word, and then automatically you press insert, and then there you go. So now when you press group row, what happened is we'll have 3 because Alan is recognized as the existing customer. Because if you look over here it recognizes, okay, Alan name appear 3 times, Ronaldo, and so on. So now I go to home and close and load, automatically you will notice there will be some changes.